Modal auxiliary, would. 1. Basic use. Would is a modal auxiliary used to talk about hypothetical situations. Polite requests, past habits, future in the past. Structure, affirmative, subject plus would plus base verb. I would travel more, she would help you. Negative, subject plus would not, wouldn't, plus base verb. I wouldn't do that, he wouldn't agree. Interrogative, would plus subject plus base verb. Would you help me, would they come? Uses of would, hypothetical situations. Second conditional, if I had money, I would buy a house. I would go if I had time. Polite requests offers, more polite than will. Would you open the door? Would you like some coffee? Preferences, would rather, would prefer. I would rather stay home. I'd prefer to go later. Future in the past, he said he would call me. I knew it would happen. Important notes, would is often contracted, I'd, you'd, he'd, etc. It has no s in third person, she was, she would. It is always followed by a base verb, would to go would go. Quick comparison, will real future, would imaginary polite past perspective. Common expressions, would you mind, would you like, I would say, that would be great. Thanks for watching.